Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can become Lisa Simpson in DTI. So in this DTI tutorial, we are bringing brains, boldness, and whole lot of yellow with an outfit inspired by the one and only Lisa Simpson. And this is the look that I created based or inspired by Lisa Simpson. So let's just get it done. Let's start with the hair. So I only use two hairstyles. The first one is this wavy hair, and I'm going to color it yellow like the skin tone, and I combine it with this updo hair, this one. Just use the same color. And after that, for the outfit, first I'm going to use a dress from the currency items. So this dress in here, and I'm going to color it orange like Lisa's dress. And use my hex code here. Okay, color it orange, and after that you can here put on some accessory. First I'm going to use this necklace. Then for the dress, I'm going to combine it with this skirt, also in the same orange color. And for the shoe, I'm using this Mary Jane shoe with the same orange color. And that's it. Your Lisa Simpson look is done. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.